On this end right here, we need another 2x4 that stands up and another one that just lays on top. I mean 1x4. When I say 2x4s, I mean 1x4s. That's what we're working with. 1x4 is going to stand up on the back of that one. That's going to connect our bottom here, and then we put a jack leg, a jack leg, a jack leg, and a jack leg. The only thing is we don't have one in the middle, Paul. We're going to make one right there. Yeah, we're gonna put one right there in the middle, so we have a center jack. On this side, since it was all one piece all the way across, we've got our framing installed back too. And what I did on this one here is you have these little outlookers because you have some 1x2s that run down your top of your roof, and we put some 1x4s or some 1x2s, whatever we needed to go with or really wanted to. It doesn't have to be anything super substantial because we are adding blocking in there. We took a 2x4 and attached it to a 1x4, ran it all the way down to the bottom of this, see, so it lines up right underneath there. We attached these two together. Now we have everything from here to here all one piece. It's now all one piece. You don't have any movement. It's strong, and that's only with one of them in there. Once we finish this off, which we are doing all the way down this, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then our end down there. Once we get that, this thing will be so strong. We have our roll here of our metal. We're going to put our plywood on the face of this thing after we put our 1x4 across the top. We'll put our plywood on top of that, and this thing will be ready to roll, ready for a roof. Rock the roof with Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. Plywood over the top of that. It's gonna be nice, Paul. Good work. Strongest it's ever been. I could stand on that thing now, Paul. Wouldn't be worried about it.
Yeah. Let me give you some. Come here.
I'd rather have you. Well, we can't say it on camera.
No, you can't do none of that. You be Miss Bobby.
Buy me lunch.
You be Miss Bobby.
Oh, buy me lunch. Buy me some lunch. I just wasn't gonna say it on camera.
I said you be
I'm
Mr.
shut
Bobby.
the camera. I know you. That's beautiful. I really can't let go.
I'm putting those screws.
I can let go now. That's sweet, Paul. Sweetness. I'm in love with it. I already have my framing, so all I have to do is make sure that my front board didn't go past that, and it didn't. I have plenty to screw to. So now I'm going to connect this, and this. I'm going to connect it all the way up. Connected their old framing. Connected my new framing. Now I'm going to connect it to the part that we connected the whole roof to. Now we have solid. This is a solid piece that I could probably jump up and down on top of that roof. It wouldn't affect my boxing in any way. That's amazing, Paul. Stronger than it's ever been, that's for sure.
Yep.
Stronger than it's ever been. I'll be glad when we run out of these screws. Huh? I'll be glad when we run out of these damn Phillips head screws, start using them other ones we got. We do have other screws we decided to go with, not these.
Yeah, we're gonna wear them out.
But we're gonna use them up first. I like the T whatever bit. It's like a, yeah, star bit, whatever. I don't even know. There's a number for it though. I just don't know it. Big 100 times better than this. All right, Paul. You know we got the same number here.
Yeah.
What do you have for a piece down there?
I got what you need.
You already have the angle,
Yeah.
right? You already have the angle. So you
No,
just.
I don't got the angle.
Oh, you don't have this
No,
angle.
I don't have the angle. If I'm gonna make it. I was like, do 9.5, 14 1/4.
How long is your piece? Because we got 4 feet over there.
70 inches.
All right. Well, start with we're gonna go with a 4-foot piece.
Yeah.
So at that 4-foot mark right there. Give me 10.5 inches at 4 feet. This side is gonna be whatever your last number was. Oh.
14
Huh?
1/4.
14 1/4 to 10.
Yeah.
That's your number, and then we'll figure out what the bottom one is after that. You did good, like I knew that you would. Cause I knew that you would, dude. You're a good dude, dude. That is nice and strong, Paul. You couldn't tear that down with your granddaddy's tractor. All right. Maybe. Maybe.
You can't beat them Fords.
I know it. I had one. It was handy, but being old like it was, I was worried about it breaking, you know, and then what? That's what I had my worries about, Paul. Then what? You know what? You know what? I thought about bending that around like you was talking about, Paul. But now I'm thinking even more like coming down, putting that hem in it right there, and leaving it down to this end right here, and attaching it. I don't know.